I'm gonna show you how to improve your credit score in 30 seconds. So look at your credit report. Do you have a lot of inquiries on there? If you apply for a car recently, they probably shotgun your credit to 15 different people. It could easily drop your score 100 points because every inquiry is 2 to 12 points that it can negatively affect your credit profile. So if you're at a 600 right now and you have 10 inquiries, you can remove 10 and your scores can go up 100 points. Now, that's just general terms. It doesn't work like that for everybody. Some people's profile have high utilization. They have not enough accounts. They have negative items. Everything is different for every person. So what I want you to do, though, don't focus on that. Don't focus on how much your score is going to go up because it's going to go up. What I want you to do is call the fraud department for Experian and Equifax. This method is not going to work with TransUnion. TransUnion is a lot different. So we have to do different methods in my business as well to remove inquiries for our clients. But what I want you to do is call the fraud department. If you went and applied for a car, you did not tell them, hey, go shotgun my credit to 1 million different people and kill my credit profile. You said, I want to see if I'm approved for this car. What you can do is go to them, call Experian fraud department, say, hey, I have inquiries on my credit profile that I did not authorize. I want you to remove them. Be persistent. Don't let them get off the phone with you without doing what you said. And then insist that they do it because it's your credit. You have the control on what goes on and off your credit because it's for you. So what I want you to do, if they do not do it for the first person, go to a supervisor. Always escalate to somebody above. If the supervisor can't do it for me, give me your supervisor. All right, my friends. So if you like this type of content and you want to learn how to level up in life, this is the channel for you. What I want you to do is like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you can stay up to date and you can see more videos just like this from me. I also want you to click the notification bell so you can make sure you always get notified because we put out a video every single day. We don't miss. Every single day we have a new piece of content dropping for you. So subscribe, like, and share, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. I've had instances where I've been on the phone with some people and they're like, "Lad, my supervisor's not available." Nah, look, I'm gonna just wait right here. And they'll come back on the phone like, "Hey, you can't just wait." Nah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for him. Last time I tried to call, nobody called me back. I'll just wait for him right here. So be persistent. Like, what's the worst that can happen? So remove the inquiries from your credit score and your scores can go up 2 to 12 points for each inquiry that you remove.